What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I know I haven't posted for a while, but I'm moving, so if the audio quality is ass, it's because I'm moving and I don't have my Blue Yeti with me, so I'm using regular headphones. So I just wanted to go for the jar. I was successfully able to cop. It was pretty easy. I used filler. I just added to cart, done the Face ID with the filler, with Safari, and I didn't get CAPTCHA. That was a surprise. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to sell it on StockX. I'm just currently waiting until it hits like the 90s, and then once it hits the 90s, I'm gonna sell it. I don't know, I might keep it for the personal. I'm gonna see once it comes in. I'm gonna check if it's valid or not. Yeah, let me know what you guys copped, what you guys weren't able to cop. If you took an L, if you took a W, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're trying to sell something, just put it down in the comments. Somebody probably wants to buy it. And make sure you join my Discord. I'll have a link below. If you're trying to buy Forest Cop, I have $10 off. Use Barless at checkout. And if you are new, make sure to subscribe. I do this every week. Well, I stopped doing it every week, but I'm gonna start doing it every week now. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you do enjoy it.